Breaking the wall of eco-friendly building. Hevar Hamid Abdulrahman, Falling Walls Lab, Iraq.
Hello everyone. Today I would like to present you the potential solution to two of the most widespread problems in the world, which are the air pollution through landfills and the pollution of the air through the industrial emissions. According to a report done by the European Union in 2019, about 24% of the post-consumer plastic is landfilled, causing the land to go barren and the infiltrating water to intoxicate. And as to the CO2 emissions, about 8% of those emissions are from industrial processes producing steel for construction processes. So we as engineers have always tried to replace steel with something else inside the concrete. So what we have done now is retrieve these plastic strips from industrial wastes. These are used for industrial packaging, so they are strong enough, and they are also lightweight and usable in concrete. What we have done here is reshape them as needed for the shear reinforcement of concrete beams and use them instead of steel stirrups. Let me clear up those words for you. How this is done is, concrete is strong when you're compressing it, but it's weak when you're pulling it apart. So to do that, conventionally, we use steel to taking apart loads. And in beams, we have shear loads causing diagonal cracks. Now, stirrups of this shape are used in concrete beams to prevent the diagonal cracks from concrete, the failure of concrete. What we have done here is replace those steels with these plastic stirrups, which you can easily make by these retrieved plastic, bending them and shaping them as same as steel, basically, and then placing them inside the concrete. By doing that, by only using 2 plastic strips, we got an extra 18% loading capacity, and by using 4 plastic strips, we got an extra 33% loading capacity, which isn't the same as the steels, I will admit myself. We haven't compared it to the steel itself, but trust me, if you put many layers, as we will do in the future tests, by using more layers, by overlapping the stirrups inside the concrete, we will get close and match the steel's strength. Trust me, I'm an engineer, I know what I'm talking about. And by reducing that stirrup, we will be reducing the steel demand by 40%, which will in turn reduce the CO2 emissions globally by 3%. We all know how much that is. And it will also reduce the material cost by 5%, which is about $10,000 for a 5-story building. So let us all imagine a better future for the whole world.